In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sender email on Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know how to update the from address for a specific campaign and how to switch the default sender for future emails. This is a great way to keep your branding consistent, improve recognition in your subscribers' inboxes, and route replies to the right place. Start by signing in to your Mailchimp account and heading to the main dashboard. From there, open the Campaigns area. This is where all of your email campaigns live. Find the campaign where you want to update the sender and open it. You'll be taken into the campaign builder, which shows all the key details of your message before it goes out. Look for the From section in the campaign settings and open it. This section controls both the sender name and the sender email address your audience will see. Open the email address dropdown to view your available options. If the address you need isn't listed yet, choose the option to verify a new email address. Mailchimp requires verification to make sure you own the address you plan to send from, which protects your deliverability and helps prevent spoofing. When prompted, click into the email address field and type the new address you want to use. Double check your spelling here. Even small typos can cause verification to fail or route replies to the wrong inbox. When you're confident it's correct, send the verification email. Mailchimp will immediately dispatch a confirmation to the address you entered. Now switch over to that inbox and look for the verification message. If you don't see it within a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folder and consider adding Mailchimp's sending domain to your allow list to improve delivery. Open the message and follow the verification prompt to confirm you own the address. Once verified, Mailchimp will recognize it and you'll be able to use it as the sender on that campaign. If you're still viewing the campaign builder, you may need to refresh the page for the new address to appear in the dropdown. A quick refresh is often all it takes. That covers changing the from email on a single campaign. If you prefer to update the default sender for your account so future campaigns start with the new address, return to your Mailchimp home. This path is helpful if your organization has changed domains or you're consolidating sending from a single inbox. Open your profile menu from the top area of the dashboard and navigate to your profile settings. In your profile, locate the email address field. Click into it, then type the new address you want to serve as your default sender. Again, take a moment to confirm the spelling and make sure it's a monitored inbox where you can receive replies and system notifications. When you're finished, select Update to save your changes. Mailchimp may prompt you to confirm the new address via a verification email. If that happens, complete the confirmation from your inbox so the change can take effect. After this, new campaigns you create will start with the updated sender, and you can still adjust it per campaign if needed. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Use a professional, brand-matched email address for trust and recognition. Keep your sender name clear and familiar so subscribers know who you are at a glance. If your organization manages its own domain, consider setting up domain authentication in Mailchimp to improve deliverability and align your from address with best practices. And finally, send yourself a test email after making changes to confirm everything looks right and replies land in the correct inbox. That's it. You've updated the sender email for a single campaign and you've seen how to change the default sender across your account. Follow these steps and your emails will reach the right inbox with the name and address your audience expects.